In this video, I'll show you how to check a Memecoin age on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, the Memecoin age basically is a time when a Memecoin is created, right? So for you to check a Memecoin age, what you need to do from the list of these selected Memecoins listed right here, what you're going to do now, let's see, I want to click on this, right? So I'm going to click on this. I want to check the age of this Memecoin. Now, for you to see the age of this Memecoin, you need to, from this picture, you need to scroll down, right? From here you can see per created. So this token is 20 hours 31 minutes old, right? If you don't want to check from here, you can still go back from this icon, right? Once you have gone back, you can see from this displayed other options of meme coins. This is the first one. This is the age. You can see the age of each meme coins right here. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.